Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang likod, si Jomar Makinay. And today, we will be reviewing the Bohan MK8. No, not MK8. HK Heckler & Koch 416D. Okay. Another Bohan. Actually, this is the first Bohan I review. No, another Bohan. First things first. This is an all nylon construction. Nylon grip. Nylon. Everything is nylon. I think the only metal parts is the retaining screws, more screws, and the screws. So this is light. Really light. For the trades, this is amazing. As you can see, Heckler & Koch 416. More trades. More trades. And considering that this is very cheap, it has nice trades. Most probably, the receiver where they copied it had engraved trade so that they got it copied. The numberings for the rails is only printed. See, printed. So that's weird. So for this unit, it's basically just a run-of-the-mill Bohan M4A1 MK8 series. The only difference is that quad rail, because it's an HK416. So lots of space for your attachment. Standard 40mm counterclockwise thread with, I think this is a metal barrel. Just to be sure, yes, metal barrel with no hop up. No, it's very basic. Comes with a front grip. Standard not MK8, Gen 8. Gen 8 magazine. But this one is top loading, so that's nice. Not unlike the units before, it's just on the side. Even the magazines have trades. So, that's cute. There, see, trades. Battery space, it's a usual unit where it's use this battery and they put it here. This doesn't have a cover, so it's fine. Still uses this XTSM, which should be replaced to at least X30, which is a better connector. This burns it, you upgrade it. You upgrade the unit. So keep that in mind. This uses the same MK8, MK8/PDX. Oh, uses the version 2 type of the connector. So for the accessories, you can try the PDX types on my store. So you can have battery stacks, drop stacks, angle drop stacks, more battery stacks, not thread adapter. Well, technically it adapts this to a better tube, so you can have a aluminum tube if you want. Gel capacity, this is a standard Gen 8, so lots your BB capacity, gel capacities, and around here. So nice, quite nice. And weight, nothing, barely nothing. See, it's very light. it's light and cheap. So, well, it looks nice though. Stand. FPS, it's a standard 200 to 240 FPS depending on where you bought it. And usually expect around 200 FPS. Since there's no hop up, the range is atrocious, but it will reach 200 FPS. The good thing with this one also is, no, you cannot change. Since there's a screw here, the spring is quick detach, but you cannot remove it because of that. You can make it a quick change, spring quick change, but you have to destroy this one. See, there's a that holds it. Why you cannot use that quick change spring, quick spring quick change feature. So it's up to you if you want, if it's important or not. If you want to change the spring, you have to totally remove this one. And since this is more or less an MK8 with a different design, you can, if you remove the top rail, same as the ARP9 PDX, remove the top rail, so the lock will, this will be removed, and you can basically twist and push forward, so you can change the handguard to a different one if ever you wanted, and go the speedball type. Price, oof. I got this second hand for 2,500. I think the brand new price is around 3.5. Because I don't remember, is this a Metal Gearbox version or Metal Gears version or not. I think the brand new price is around 4,000 plus. Below. Something like that. Overall, if you like to cosplay an MK8 variant, an MK8 variant HK416, this is the cheapest on the market for you to buy one. And less than 4K, and it's the trades and everything is accurate. You just need to put the correct accessories, which I don't have the one at the moment, to make it look realistic. Overall, it's just a normal gel blaster, only with a longer barrel. See, it's here to here. Ay. 200? Around 300 millimeters barrel. It's quite long. So, range is somewhat better on this one. Well, anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!